All right, welcome to another episode of Coding Under 60 Minutes. So this is a project edition, right? So and this time I will be trying to code the 20 question challenge, which is basically like you memorize some sort of animal, right? Like any animal will do. And then basically the code will ask some sort of questions, right? 20 questions like, is it a mammal? Does it have stripes? Or is it a bird? Does it fly? Or whatever, like any sorts of kind of like classification questions. And then at the end, it will give you like, hey, is this the animal that you were thinking of, right? So that's the idea basically. And to do that, I have some, gathered some data. So I think this data works really well. So I just found this from Google, and I think this is pretty cool submission. So I think this big CSV is the one that we can use basically. So as you can see, like there are 101 animals in here, and then how many questions? Like 1, 2, 3, maybe like 18 was it? I forgot. I didn't count that much. Maybe there are a lot. Oh, okay. Okay, so these columns, right? Does it have hair? Does it have feathers? Does it have eggs? Right? So something like that. So we basically ask these questions, and I guess we don't have to use every column. We can eliminate some sort of what was cat size. Okay, what? Okay. We don't have to use every column, but maybe like this medium one. Let's see. Okay, it also has. Okay, I guess we can eliminate some of the columns and clean up the data, and then we can use it because there's only like 101 animals, right? Which means, um, I mean, there's just not enough, not a lot of animals. So these questions are like so long. We can eliminate those for sure. Okay, so this is the data set basically, and yeah, we're gonna code up the project in Angular, and so let's dive in, and then let's just do the stopwatch. I always do stopwatch, but it's actually a timer. All right, cool. So yeah, we can just start here. ng serve to start up the Angular application, and I've just created this project using ng new and then zoo. So zoo is going to be the project name. So yeah, that's it. And then localhost. Okay, so this is our app, and then we are going to clean up the app. Basically, we can just delete the spec file. We don't need it because it's just for testing, right? And then on the HTML, I think we can delete everything. Okay, and then it's just going to be empty. Cool. All right. So I think the first thing is that we have to, we can clean up this data, right? So I think we can just copy everything in here, basically. Right. And then I guess what's the easiest way to clean it up? I think we can clean it up in using Google Sheets, actually. So maybe you can just download it and then open it up using Google Sheets. Okay. So in here, I guess Excel works fine too, but I think Google Sheets is like free version, right? So we'll just use that. Open computer, or maybe upload. Yeah, upload. Okay, got it. Right. So yeah, we have the data, and then I think we can just delete some of the questions. I guess we don't need the legs questions, right? So let's just remove that. Okay. Let's look at the medium question, like columns. Not question, medium sized. Maybe the micro. Okay, so it has like only 5 columns. Small has, let's just go with medium. Okay. I will compare the columns with here and then see what happens. Oops, okay. And then, okay, so hair, feathers, lay eggs. Okay, maybe I should change it to lay eggs. Milk, airborne, aquatic, predator, toothed, backbone, breathes, venomous, fens, cat size. I think tail. I guess. Oh, cat size, is it like, okay, now I get the question. So domestic, we don't need that. Cat size is like, is it, is the size actually kind of like a cat, right? Um, Mammal, no. Bird, no. Reptile, no. Fish, no. Amphibian, no. Insect, no. Invertebrate, no. Wait, what? Bigger than a cat? Okay, I guess that's new. So we don't have, okay, some of the columns are not there. Okay, all right. So now I've cleaned up the data a little bit, but the thing is that I have to make sure there are like no duplicate rows, right? So I can analyze the data so that there's no duplicate rows. So I can do that. So let's just open up with Notepad++. Oh, okay, no. Let's just copy this and then put it in our Angular app. Okay. So let's just open like a inside app, maybe create like a folder in data and then create, oops, not this. Create a animals clean dot. Oh, no. I cannot do CSV because it just has to be like a TypeScript file for sure. So const animal data like that. Okay. All right, cool. I think that works. I guess I can put this into const animal questions like that. So we have like questions, right? And I have to export it to use it in our Angular application. Okay, so we have those two data. And then let's just import it here, right? So to in order to analyze, and then create like a constructor. And then I think let's just do like data. I guess we can just do animals, right? Animal data, questions, animal questions, okay. And then we can just we can do it with numerous ways. We can render it into HTML or we can just console log it, right? So let's do like, let's make sure there are no like duplicate rows, right? So we're just gonna analyze these, compare it to each one of them. Oh, actually, I could just see that there's a problem then, right? Okay, there are duplicate rows. Wow, this is a problem because I've just deleted too many questions then. Okay, you know what? I'll just not gonna delete any columns and see what happens. Let's just keep the data original, right? So no messing up with the data. So this is bad. We don't want any duplicate rows because there are going to be multiple answers to the question, right? So let's go to the original data set. Let's just download this again. Download the raw file. Yeah, I'll just open it up. Okay. And here, let's just replace this with everything. Okay. All right. And then we can delete the questions. Okay. So let's just try now. Wait, is it right? Boar. Okay, let's go with boar. Oh, this is such a bad data set. It has multiple. Damn. Okay. I thought the answers would be unique in this data set. This is too bad. I did have some other data set though, like zoo data set from Kaggle. Let's go do the Kaggle one. Or maybe there's an extended. Okay, let's just go open three of them. So Kaggle is like a data science project, not project, the data. It has some data for data science related projects. Okay, so it has 43 animals. Okay, yeah, I don't think this is not good enough. So how about this one? It has 17 columns. I guess this one has, what's the data count? Data other, I think it's like 100 animals, okay. And one is 101, okay. Maybe let's go look at the columns. So total value. There are 7 columns? What? That's not gonna be enough, is it? Oh no. There's 18 questions. Okay. Class type, cat size, domestic. Wait, I think this is the same data set, right? The one I had. But does this have the legs? Yeah, it has the legs. Hmm. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is the same data set. Let's just look at the first view, right? So download. Oh, I have to sign in. Okay. Already taken what? Okay, I guess I did my account, another account. Isn't already taken? All right, download. Okay, let's just try to open this up and then see what happens. Okay, CSV. Okay, and let's do boar, right? I think there was a boar and then the controlled search. Yeah, cheetah, leopard, lion, lynx, mongoose, polecat, puma, raccoon. Okay, you know what? I think since there are duplicate data, I guess we can just ask like, hey, is this the one? No, is this the one? No, is this the one? Like just show like random answers then. I think that's how we can do it. Whatever. Okay, then I guess I can use the less questioned version, I guess. The less column version. Like it has less questions, right? 3, 6, 9. It's still a lot though. Okay, I guess this is the one. Cool. Okay, let's just go with this trimmed one, the original one, because like there are still duplicate data, so it doesn't really matter. Unless we, delete the animals, but I don't want to do that. Cool. Okay. Yeah, bummer. I thought the data would be much cleaner than that, but what else? This one has 100. Maybe I'll just try to open up this one too and see what happens. Okay. So I've opened up this one, so let's try boar. Yeah, cheetah, leopard, mongoose, polycat, puma, raccoon, wolf. Yeah, it's the same thing. It's just the same data set. But I guess it has less questions. I guess we can use this because it's the same thing, right? Okay, this is like more trimmed down column. Maybe I like that. Okay, let's just try to do that then. Sheets. I don't want to have the legs, right? So leg count is like not binary. This is like number, right? So we don't want that. So except legs, I think all of them are binary. So we can use that. Delete that column and then that's it. Does this work? Okay, it doesn't work like that. So we're losing a lot of time just to clean up the data, but that's fine. Choosing the right data and stuff. Okay, cool. Predator tooth, backbone, venomous, fins, legs, tail. Yep. Okay. Yeah, we can just delete this. Column, cat size. Okay, cool. We can just save that. And then Is it saved? Yes. Reload. What? It didn't work? Wait. Oh shit, okay. Wait, it's so weird. Let's just do save as then. Okay, save. Uh Export download. Okay, yeah, okay, yeah, of course. So it's not gonna save because it's a Google Drive, right? Okay, here. All right. Maybe I didn't copy. Okay, no. I think that's good. Okay, so I can just copy these and then put it in here. Okay, so this has many less questions, so that's fine. That's good, actually. We don't want too many questions. That's gonna be boring. All right, so animal name. We don't want that. Okay, I think this is good. All right, cool. So the boar is still have multiple answers. Bear, let's just have two. Aardvark, what? Okay, antipole. Antelope. Antelope has 7 answers. Okay, that's bad. Wallaby. I guess I can also trim down some of the animals, but we'll just do that later. We can do that later. The animals that I don't know, right? For example, like antelope. Okay, aardvark. I have no idea what this animal means. Okay, cool. All right. So the first order of business is that obviously this is like a binary yes or no question tree, right? So we have to construct like a binary tree in order to do this. So we could just create that tree, I suppose. So to do that, I think we typically do like classes, right? So classes definitely works, but I'm wondering like if we can just do it with interface though. Interface like a tree node, right? So the tree node doesn't really matter what the name is, but maybe we can just say animal or something like that. But let's just go with like tree, right? Left tree node, right tree node, right? And then I think I can just do level. I think level is important. Not it's just number, like the order of level, right? And then we can do list of animals. It's gonna be like string of list of string. So these are like the animals that this tree node has, right? So I think we can do that. But there's another way of doing this too. So I can just store like a count or something like that. So count would be storing how many animals are beneath this node, right? So if the count is like 1, then we know that, okay, just go down the road and then we will know the animals. But I think this one just makes it way easier. So this one means that at this node or below, we have this many, these animals, right? So we can just use this as the length, I guess. So if this has 1 length, then we could just immediately say, hey, this is your animal, right? But if this has like 5 or 4 or whatever, then this would be your which means we have to still traverse to the left or right? So that's the idea. And then I think what I can do is make this optional, right? So tree node left and right can be optional. Or I guess I can just do like null, I guess. Okay, but I mean, I think, yeah, question mark means it's undefined. So I guess making a null makes sense too. All right, cool. Cool. All right, so let's do that. And then in here, so we have animals here, then we can just split it by row, not row, new line, right? So let's just do like for how should I do this? Maybe let's just do this. Trim and then split by that, right? So those would be like animal by animals, right? So that's clean. And then for let I equals that. I guess I could have just done by row const animal of animals. So this is going to be this, okay? Loop through each animal and then do split, right? So animal split equals animal dot split. I guess I can even do in here to like map our animal. They'll just say a and then dot split, separate by comma, right? So if I do this, then this is going to be like a nested string, right? Yeah, exactly. So it's the list of string. So let's just do that. Animals. That's just okay. Animals is fine. Yeah, animal is fine in here too. So, const animal name is gonna be your animal of 0, right? And the rest is gonna be the binary zeros and ones, right? So I can just select these ones and then loop through them. Okay. So for I let I equal 0, 1, because we're gonna start traversing, right? I is less than animal length plus plus I plus plus. Okay. All right. So now I have to do is like do like a root, right? So tree, it's gonna be tree node, right? But I have to initialize it, I guess. Which contains all the animals. Okay, yeah, let's just do that. So basically what this means is I have the tree node. Even though this seems space inefficient, but I think it's just much easier to code. Oh yeah, we can have the animals as like empty first because we're going to populate it on our traversal. So now we can do like left null, right null, and then level is obviously 0 because that's the root, right? And animals is going to be like that. It's initially empty. Cool. So we have the root node, right? Root, and then animal name, and then we're traversing through the zeros and ones in here. And then let's just assume like the 0 is left and 1 is right, right? So we could just say 0 is left, 1 right. Okay, so if animal of I is equal to 1, let's just do 0. 0, then that means we are going to, I think we can do const temp equals this dot root, right? It's just going to be like a pointer. And then, not const, we're going to traverse, so it's going to be let. So it's just a traversal, right? So now what I can do is like temp dot left is equal to tree node of left is null. How should I do this? Maybe I can do, oh yeah, no, yeah, I don't have to do the type because it's already typed, right? So left is that, null, right is null, and then animals is empty, and then level is this current level plus 1, right? So I think, yeah, so temp dot level plus 1. Okay, so that's the left. Then else, so the right is going to be really similar. So we have the right, the animals is empty, level is that plus 1. Okay, but for the very first one, I think we can do is what I can do is temp.animals.push. It's going to be animal name. So we're adding the animal at the first root level, right? So in here, and then we're pushing it, but we also have to push it in here too. Temp dot left is equal to I have to check if this is null or not then. Okay, yeah, let's do that. If temp dot left is equal to null, right? Then I have to do this. Otherwise, I just have to append the animal, right? So animal name, right? And then in here, temp.left.animals.push animal name. Okay, so because it's already existing, I don't we can't overwrite it, right? So same thing here. So let's just copy this actually. Temp.right, Right. Right. Okay, cool. I think this should work. Temp.root. Okay, so now we go down one level, right? So okay, so now this is going to be temp equals temp dot left. So to go down one level, and then this is going to be temp dot right. So we go down one level. All right, cool. So I think this should just be it, actually. So let's try to um, print out the root, right? So let's do like print tree or something like that. Okay. And then what I can do is like, so it's going to be like a depth first traversal or breadth first traversal or whatever. How should I do this? Okay, let's just do a depth first traversal, I guess. Or maybe is it the level order traversal is good. How should I do this? I'm just trying to do it with like without recursion or anything like that, but I guess hey, let's just do that. Or you know what? I think I can do a better version here. So let's just do root JSON. Let's see how that looks, and then put it in the JSON pipe in here. JSON pipe. Okay. Oh, so it didn't work. Okay, let's check it out. Oh, okay. Oh yeah, I have to save it here. Okay, it did something, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna be like animals, scorpion level 13. Okay, so it okay, it's level 0 animals, all the animals in here are in here, right? Yeah, yeah, okay. So this is what we expected actually. So level 0 has all the animals, and then level 1 has all the ones that has but level 1 should have 2 instances, right? So let's do like that. So level 1 is here, the other level 1 is there. Okay, what was the first question? Let me see the first question. Hair. Okay, so let's just check, right? So these doesn't have hair. Bass, carp, catfish, chicken. Okay, I guess chicken doesn't have hair because it has feathers. Okay, dogfish, crow, dove. Okay, I guess that makes sense. Okay, I think this is working then. Right. Okay, I think this was working as expected then. Okay, cool. All right, so we have the tree now, which is great. So now we can go on to the do the nitty gritty stuff, like the design and stuff. So animal questions is like we have these questions. So I think these are the questions that we can adjust, right? So what I can do is like have a list of like edited questions. I think that's much better. So basically, does it have hair, right? So that's going to be the first question. And then does it have feathers? Okay. This is gonna take a while, but I'll just try to do a quick test again. Does it lay eggs? No, no, no. Does it produce milk? I guess. Okay. Does it fly? Airborne is flying, right? Let's hope it says it's flying. Does it aquatic means does it live in water? I guess. Does it live in water? Aquatic. Is it a predator? Okay. Does it have teeth? Right? I think that's the plural for sure. Does it have backbone? Okay. Can it breathe? Okay. Is it venomous? Let's do it lowercase. Does it have fins? Does it have a tail? Is it domestic? Okay. Is the size cat-like? Okay. Okay. Let's just clean this up a bit. Okay. Cool. Okay, so we have all the questions. So let's just hope these are the same, right? So we have 2 to 16, which means it has 15 questions, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, so it matches. That's good. All right, so we have the questions. Okay. And then let's just do like current question index. So that starts from 0, I guess. Okay, so we're gonna ask like, so we should have like a card component to actually render the card and have a yes or no button and stuff like that. So let's just do like button yes, no, right? So, and then also let's just do like introductory, some like game rule or something. I am going to guess the animal you just remembered. Ready? Maybe ready is gonna be on a H2 or something. Ready? Button start the game. Okay, let's just do the start or something. Okay. Cool. Okay, so this is gonna be your state basically. Okay, and then these two would be hidden at first, but uh game state. I think we could just say this is like, okay, how should I say? Beginning, I guess? Initial state. Okay, let's just do that initial. Okay, let's do something like div, and then it is gonna be like if game state equals initial. We can do that. Okay. I guess this can be also a switch statement too. Like, but I'll just be lazy and then game state equals playing. And then this is gonna be like that. And then ready, it's gonna have like a click event, right? So it's gonna be like start, basically. And then it will have a start method. And then this will change the game state to playing. Okay. All right, so start. Yes, okay, that's good. So we have the 2 buttons now. Now I have to render the questions. Class question, and then do like questions of current question index, right? So start, does it have hair? Okay, so yes, no, yes, no. Okay, so each clicks, it will choose the left or right click, how should I say this? Answer, I guess? Or maybe guess? Not guess. It's like, how do I say the choose, I guess? Choose, okay. Click, choose. I guess we can create like a two methods, but I mean, is it really bad practice? I would assume so. I guess I can do like choose. I don't know. Maybe just choose left, choose right. Okay. So wait. So does it have hair? So what did I say? I said um 0 is left, 1 is right, right? So yes means yes, so that means right. So okay, 1 is right. So yes means it's right. So I've switched those up. Okay. So choose right is I guess this is kind of bad practice. Let's just do this one method. Let's just do choose. Then do yes. Choose, and then it means no. Okay. Choice string. If choice is equal to yes, then I think we can do another current root, I guess. So that is right now it's gonna be same as root, current root. So that's just gonna be like the traversal, right? So we cannot change the root at all. So that's the idea. Let's just do like read only then to make it safeguarded, right? So current root is that, and then we're gonna say okay. So we chose yes, so which means to go to the right, right? So dot is equal to this dot current root dot right. Okay. What is this complaining? It's not assigned multiple tree node. Okay. What's the type? Yeah, it is tree node. Tree node. Okay, I guess this is saying because it's null, right? We're just gonna say, I mean, basically like you don't know anything, and then I know something, right? So just basically can do like exclamation mark. I think the cleanest way to do it would be if it's not null, then do that, like guard it against it, right? So okay, that would be left. Okay, right, cool. Okay, so now since there are like choices being made, then we can do like some sort of analysis, right? So if this dot current root dot animals dot length is equal to 1, then we can just say the game has ended, right? So basically like this dot game state is finished, right? And then we could say like something like, hey, we found your animal, is it that or that? Or something like that. So okay, and then I think um if there is no node, I think that this game also should end, right? So I guess yeah. So in here, I think this is right. Yeah, okay. If yes, if this dot current root dot right is equal to null, then the game is also ended, and then we can show some of the current animals, right? Game state is equal to how should I do this? So in this case, there can be like multiple animals. Um, I guess we could just say finished too. Let's just go with that for now. So how much time do we? So we have 23 minutes left. Okay, I think we might be able to finish it. So if this dot current root dot left is equal to null, then this dot game state is also finished. Okay. Then else like that. Okay. All right. So basically, if the game animal length is that, it's finished. We won the game, right? Okay. So now I think this is good for now. Okay, so now let's just do that. And then depending on the game state, so at if game state is equal to finished, right? Then what I can do is show the remaining animals, right? So f what is it called? Current root, I think, yeah. Current roots dot animals dot length is equal to 1. That means that there's only one animal, right? So we can say h2 is your animal current root dot animals dot just say 0 like that. And then basically there should be like a button, right? Yes, there's only one option, so you could just assume that, I guess. But if it's no, then basically there's been a mistake, right? I'm not sure what should I say no. Well, what should we say on no? It's so weird. Maybe it should say like play again or something. I don't know. It's like that. Okay. But if there are like multiple animals left whenever it's finished, right? That means I have to say something like, is your animal one of that or something? Or maybe I should show like multiple multiple like cards or something like that. But for now, let's just do this. Else h2 is your animal one of these, and then we can say current root dot animals dot join of separated like that. Okay, let's just try. So I think what's the easiest like end game in here? Let's just try that. Okay, so this is not unique. This is not unique. Bear, is it that unique? So bear is not unique. Boar, is that unique? No, it's not. Buffalo, is that unique? No, it has 7. Calf, it has 4. Carp. Okay, I guess carp. Well, what kind of animal is carp? What the hell? I've never heard about this. Okay. I guess carp is that. Catfish, what about that? Okay, it is not unique. Cavy. What the hell is cavy too? I have no idea. Okay, it is that, I guess. Okay, let's just try. I don't know about cavy though. Like, I don't want to see what the animal that I know. Chicken, it has 3. Chub. Clam. Okay, I guess I can go with clam. Okay, let's imagine we have clam, right? Or okay, let's just do crow. Crow has deer, dogfish. I have no idea what that is. Okay, dolphin. I don't know. Okay, let's just do. Oh yeah, I think I forgot to increase the current question index. So whenever there's a choice that's been made, I have to do this dot current question plus plus. Right. Okay. Right. So let's just do clam. So clam. Right. Let's just imagine that. So yeah, let's start. Does it have hair? No, the clam doesn't have hair. Does it have feathers? No, it doesn't have. Does it lay eggs? Wait, does clam lay eggs? I know it does pearls, but I don't think it lays eggs, right? That's so weird. Does clam lay eggs? Yes, clam lays eggs. Okay. Okay. So it does lay eggs. Does it produce milk? No. Does it fly? No. Does it live live in water? Yes. Is it a predator? No, right? It doesn't eat other stuff. No, it doesn't have teeth. Oh, it didn't work. What the hell? Okay, I think I should be printing out the current animals. Current root dot animals JSON. Okay, so we have all these stuff. Clam. Okay, let's go with clam, right? Okay, does it have hair? No. So it doesn't clam. Okay, clam is still there. Does it have feathers? No. Clam is still there. Does it lay eggs? Yes. Okay, clam is still there. Does it produce milk? No. Does it fly? No. Does it live in the water? Yes. Wait, what? Clam is gone. What the hell? Clam is not aquatic? What? Is clam aquatic? Subject clams live in the internal zone. The wet area is exposed to the tide. Those clams are underwater during the high tide and uncovered in low tide to protect themselves. Okay. Clam is any member of the class builder. Is it aquatic though? Like, okay, what does this classification say though? Let's do clam. Okay, so it has 001, 0001. So this is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Seventh question has 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Seventh question. Is it a predator? Does it live in water? So in aquatic, it says no. What the hell? Wait, is it not an aquatic animal then, clam? What the hell? This is so awkward. Okay, let's just try again. With different animal, I guess I have no idea about clam. Like this is just so dumb. Goat, okay, it has many. Gorilla. Okay, let's do gorilla, okay? Alright, let's go. Start. Does it have hair? Yes, it does have hair. Does it have feathers? No, it does not have feathers. Does it lay eggs? No. Does it produce milk? I think it does, right? Gorilla is a mammal, so yes. Does it fly? No. Does it live in the water? No. Is it a predator? I think it's a predator, for sure. Oh, I thought it was a predator. What the hell? Okay. Does it have teeth? Let's just go with these ones then. Is your animal one of these? Wait, is the question finished? What the hell? Okay, let's just do that. I think I messed up in the predator part. Okay, let's do it again. Does it have hair? No. Does it have feathers? No. Does it lay eggs? No. Does it produce milk? Wait, what? I think I messed up again. Okay, wait. Does it have hair? Yes. Does it have feathers? No. Does it lay eggs? No. Does it produce milk? Yes. Okay, gorilla. Does it fly? No. Does it live in the water? No. Is it a predator? No. Gorilla. Okay. Does it have teeth? Of course, yes. Does it have backbone? Yes. Can it breathe? Yes. Is it venomous? No. Does it have fins? No. Does it have a tail? Gorilla doesn't have a. Wait, does it? Does gorilla have tails? Girls don't have tails. What? Okay. No, gorillas don't have tails. Okay, I guess it doesn't have tails. It does have tails. No. Okay. Is it domestic? No. Is your animal gorilla? Okay. I guess that's good. Okay. All right, let's do the play again part then. Click reset. Reset. This dot game state is equal to initial, was it? I think it was initial, right? Okay, initial, and then I have to reset the current root to this dot current root is equal to this dot root. Okay. All right. I think this worked. Okay, so I think is it the cat-like size? Okay, so it skipped this question, right? So which means because it only had one length left, so which means it is obviously a gorilla, so it stopped, which is good. So we just tested that. So let's do like bear, right? So bear had two options, I guess. I think it will go to the last question. So let's just do an artback. What the hell is this? Okay, I guess. You know what? Let me just delete this for now, and then let's just do bear and see what happens. Okay. Okay, bear. Does it have hair? Yes. Does it have feathers? No. Does it lay eggs? No. Does it produce milk? Bear. Yeah. Does it produce milk? Oh my god. It should, right? Yes. Does it fly? No. Does it live in water? No. Is it a predator? Yes, right? Bear is a predator. Does it have teeth? Yes. Does it have backbone? Yes. Can it breathe? Yes. Is it venomous? No. Does it have fins? No. Does it have tail? Yes. Bear do have tails, right? Oh, it doesn't. What the hell? Okay. My bad. Okay, let's just go with one of these then. Is it domestic? That's a yes. Is your animal pussycat? Okay. If it's a domestic, then yeah, it's obviously that, I guess. Okay, cool, cool. Okay, and it is working. Let's just try play again. Again. Okay. Yeah, it is working. So technically, we just finished the project, right? So the 20 questions is working. Now I just have to put some sort of like style, I guess, styling requirements, all and all that. Um, how should I go about that? Reset button. Hmm. Is the cat? Oh shit. Okay, I think I have to. There's a bug here. In here, the current question index has to be 0. So let me just see if I messed up anymore. So this is, I reset this, This question stay the same. I can undo read only on here too. Animals, this should be also read only too. Current question index, current root, okay. I think I did everything right now. Cool, cool, cool. Right. Yes, okay, now it works. Yeah, so now the state works. So let's do some sort of like really, really rudimentary styling. Um, let's do hmm. Maybe I should just do global. I mean, not global. I just some generic styling text, alignment, center, H2, text align, center also. Okay, and then for buttons, there should be like a div, right, wrapping around. So div like that. Let's just do buttons in here. Div class buttons. Yeah, buttons is a really bad word to use it, but yeah, buttons. Then display flex align items. Wait, is it align items? I think justify, right? Okay, yeah. And then I think what I can do is class is yes, class is no, I guess we can just do yes button, no button. And then yes button can be like green or red button. No button can be like red or something like that, right? So yes button. I guess for the buttons I can do a generic height 40 pixel, width 100 pixel, something like that. Okay. And then font size is like 1 EM. Okay, that's too little, I guess. 1.5. Okay, that's too much. Maybe I should do 60 pixels. 60, 100. I think that's within 3 and oops. Yeah, you know what? I think I can just do with this 100% too, right? Ah, is that ugly? Maybe that is ugly. Okay, the last button is like background color is green. Uh, color is like white. Yeah, okay. Yeah, yes, no, yes, no. Yeah, I guess this style can stay the same too. Does it have hair? Then we can do something like question, class question, okay? Uh, question margin bottom is like 4 EM or something. Does it have hair? Okay. Yes, no, yes, no. Okay. I think this is fine. So we're interested in mobile, right? So yes, no, yes, no. I think this is fine too. Yeah, does it have hair? Is your animal is your animal I misspelled animal one of these. Is your animal one of these? Okay, I misspelled it. I'm going to guess the animal you just remembered. Ready? Okay. Does it have hair? Yes. Does it have feathers? No. Does it lay eggs? Yes. Does it produce milk? Yes. Platypus. What the hell is platypus? Okay. I guess that's it is working. So let's just do that. Okay, I'm going to start. Does it have hair? No. Does it have feathers? Yes. Does it lay eggs? I think I can do something where actually kind of like a cheat code, I guess. I can enable some cheat codes in here if that is that really necessary? Let me think. Hmm. Okay, whatever. I think that's just like a sprinkle on top. I don't really need that. But yeah, I think the project is finished for sure. And then um yeah, this is your animal, one of these. Okay, chicken, crow, duck. Okay, I guess these have all like there's just no um left or right. No, sorry, what is it called? Like left or right? I think I choose one of them, so it just doesn't have any of the branches left. So cool. All right, so this is done, and I think in the 4 minutes left, I'm pretty sure I can publish this out to the GitLab, and then maybe put the link down in the description below so that you guys can try it out. So there's going to be a public link. Most likely, it's going to be like really similar to the other projects where it's going to be like GitLab. No, not that GitLab. Single.gitlab.io/magic, and then instead of magic, it's gonna be just zoo. So if you just type that link, it should just work by the time the video is uploaded. So yeah, that's about it. Maybe. Oh yeah, wait. There's no play game button in here. Um, reset. Finished. If that. That's so weird. So this one, I guess I should add this button into here actually. Okay. Okay, zero and one of these. Honeybee. Okay, cool. Yeah, that's about it. Yeah, I hope you guys liked it. And if you have any questions, comments, concerns, let me know. And like and subscribe to the channel. And yeah, you can always suggest new projects for me to do as well. So that's about it. All right, thank you. Bye bye.